Good afternoon, Bluebeamers. My name is Troy DeGroot with U Chapter 2, and I'm excited to partner with the team at Brighter Graphics to deliver world-class Bluebeam training and customization services so you can get the most out of your Bluebeam investment. Today, we're going to focus on batch features found only in the Extreme version of Bluebeam Revu. You can find out which version you're using by going up to the Review menu in the upper left corner of Bluebeam Revu and going down to About. A window will pop up here, what version you have up here. This document you can see has close to 40 different pages, and it might be too large to email. We might want to shrink these up or package them in different sections. So the next one I'm going to show you is split docs. So I'm going to go batch, split documents, and this window will pop up, and I'm just going to introduce some of this to you. Our options down here, we're able to split by page count. So if you want there to be 5 pages in each package, you can do that here. Or if you're concerned about email possibly, and you want to limit the file size, you can come in here and tell it how many megabytes you want per file. And then what it's going to do, you can also make sure that you have the update hyperlinks to relative paths checked so that those hyperlinks to section cuts and things don't get broken. They still work. Include layers. You can tell it the destination folder in here. And then down here, you can select a prefix or a suffix. So do you want it to say part 1, part 2, and then the document, or do you want it to say that at the end? So the document name part 1, 2, 3, whatever that case might be. Here you can see the pound character indicates the number position. Okay, so you can come in here and break up documents into groups or manageable sets to be able to send those apart or send those in an email. I hope you all took notes and enjoyed the detailed introduction to Revu's batch tools. If you recognize the time-saving value of these batch tools, reach out to Darren and his team at Brighter Graphics to learn more about additional licenses of Revu Extreme or the small investment of upgrading your existing seats. And as always, if you have any questions regarding training or customization services for your company, don't hesitate to reach out to our team as well.